Hereditarianism is the idea that heredity is the primary factor in determining human nature and character traits. Hereditarians believe in the power of genetics to explain traits. See how, through genetics, bad character traits are passed on in this particular family.
It's coming!
What's coming?
The baby's coming!
I can't come now, I'm in the middle of work.
The baby is coming!
Look, I have to get a taxi.
What? Are you not coming?
Why can't I? I've got this work to do. Let me get you a taxi.
A taxi?
Look, I have to get a taxi.
Today's science of genetics, which seeks to understand the process of inheritance, only started with the work of Gregor Mendel in the mid-19th century. Mendel found that organisms inherit traits by small units of inheritance. These are now called genes. Genes correspond to sections within DNA. DNA naturally occurs in double-stranded form, with nucleotides on each strand parallel to each other. Each strand can act as a template for creating a new partner strand. This is the physical method for creating new genes. So, is there an argument for hereditarianism? The theory is opposed to the environmentalists. This person who believes that differences between groups or individuals, especially in moral and intellectual areas, are predominantly determined by environmental factors, such as surroundings, upbringings, or experience. Hereditarianism, however, includes the idea of evolutionary psychology, the idea that our brains are the way they are because of the environment we're in. For example, there have been specific genes found in our head which have been related to character traits, for example, violence. If a boy had a violent gene in their head, it would be because it was successful to his parent in the last environment and worked well. For example, maybe his dad was a Ouija. With this idea of hereditarianism, the same is true of animals. The survival instinct is in us all.